Hi everyone, today I'm excited to share my thoughts on these modern stick on pole handles. Let's take a closer look at what makes them so great. The installation is incredibly simple and convenient. Just peel off the double sided adhesive, place the handle flush with the edge of your cabinet door, and press firmly. No drilling required, and it won't damage your door panel. These handles are perfect for doors with a thickness of 18 to 25 mm. Their modern style is ideal for cupboards, doors, and drawers in various rooms, including the kitchen, living room, wardrobe, closet, garage, dresser, bathroom, and dining area. Each handle is made of high quality aluminum alloy with rounded corners, a polished surface, and an anodic oxidation treatment. This ensures they feel comfortable to use, won't rust, and maintain their color even in wet or dry environments. The overall length is 5.9 inches, width is 1.26 inches, and height is zero point 0.7 inches. In summary, these modern stick-on pull handles are a fantastic choice for updating your furniture easily and elegantly. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!